The unbelieving husband is sanctified by the wife. Otherwise, your children would be unclean. What's that reminding us of? Well, if one person in the family has God's Spirit, the others in that immediate family, they're set apart by God. It's emphasizing the fact that, in a sense, God's put a claim on that family. In other words, they have a connection to God. And so, boy, that is such a powerful thing that we can take to heart. Because after all, what is God doing anyway? I mean, he's building a spiritual family. And so when you think about, the attacks of Satan, well, no wonder he attacks marriage. No wonder we can't even define what a marriage is in America anymore. But God says, no, this is what the family is. And the family points us to God. It points us to the plan and the purpose. It points us to the gospel. It points us to what God is all about. What is God's purpose and His will and His way? It all has to do with family, and this physical family should give us keys to understand the spiritual family that God is creating.